Hey everyone, it's great to see you here. Today, let's talk about the surprising reason why confidence in blockchain is growing rapidly. Firstly, one of the main reasons behind this surge in confidence is the unparalleled security that blockchain technology offers. With its decentralized nature and cryptographic algorithms, blockchain ensures that data stored on the network is virtually impossible to tamper with. This level of security has not gone unnoticed by industries looking to safeguard sensitive information and streamline their operations. Secondly, the growing adoption of blockchain technology by major corporations and governments has played a significant role in boosting confidence in this revolutionary technology. From supply chain management to voting systems, blockchain is being utilized in a variety of applications to enhance transparency, efficiency, and trust. As more and more individuals and organizations continue to recognize the benefits of blockchain technology, confidence in its potential continues to soar. So, if you've been skeptical about blockchain in the past, now might be the time to take a closer look at its incredible capabilities. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the future is bright with blockchain technology. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how a little focus can completely transform ChatGPT. Have you ever wondered how powerful focus can be? Well, let me tell you, it's truly amazing. When you give your full attention to something, like ChatGPT for example, you'll be surprised at the results. Main story point 1. As you can see, the more focused you are on providing clear and concise inputs, the more accurate and helpful ChatGPT becomes. It's like having your very own personal assistant right at your fingertips. Main story point 2. Not only does focus improve the quality of the responses you receive, but it also helps ChatGPT to better understand your needs and provide more tailored suggestions. It's all about the power of intention and attention. So remember, a little focus can go a long way in transforming your interactions with ChatGPT. Try it out for yourself and see the difference it can make. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Uplifting ending sentence. Stay focused, and watch as ChatGPT transforms right before your eyes.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's talk about how you can boost your mindset for self-driving cars. First things first, trust the technology. Self-driving cars use advanced sensors and algorithms to navigate the roads safely. So, let go of any fear or hesitation and trust that the car knows what it's doing. Next, embrace the freedom. Self-driving cars give you the opportunity to relax, work, or even catch up on your favorite shows during your commute. So, use this time to be productive or simply unwind and enjoy the ride. Remember, self-driving cars are here to make our lives easier and more convenient. So, embrace the future of transportation with a positive mindset and open arms. Uplifting ending sentence. So, hop on board and let self-driving cars take you to new places with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey there, fellow AI enthusiasts. Today, I'm excited to share some easy routine building tips to help you boost your neural network skills. First and foremost, consistency is key when it comes to enhancing your AI abilities. Set aside dedicated time each day to work on your neural network projects. This will help you stay focused and make steady progress. Next, don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and algorithms. Building a diverse skill set will not only keep your work interesting but also make you a more versatile AI practitioner. By incorporating these simple routine-building tips into your daily practice, you'll soon notice a significant improvement in your AI skills. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and the same goes for mastering neural networks. Keep pushing yourself, stay curious, and the results will follow. Uplifting ending sentence. So go ahead, dive into your AI journey with determination and passion. The sky's the limit.
Hey everyone, have you ever struggled with forming good habits? Well, today I want to share with you 5 habits that you can easily improve with the help of ChatGPT. The first habit you can improve with ChatGPT is productivity. By setting specific goals and deadlines with ChatGPT, you can stay on track and accomplish more in less time. The second habit that ChatGPT can help you with is organization. With its ability to generate to-do lists and schedules, you can keep your life in order and reduce stress. By utilizing ChatGPT, you can also improve your communication skills by practicing conversations and receiving feedback, as well as developing a consistent workout routine with personalized fitness plans. So, if you're looking to boost your productivity, get organized, improve your communication, or establish a fitness routine, give ChatGPT a try. It's a game changer for forming and maintaining healthy habits in your life. Uplifting ending sentence. Start today and see the positive changes in your life with ChatGPT.